We have a weekly recap in Master Azerbaijani. Let's see what did we learn this week. We learned how to say Məşhur, famous, well-known, popular. We learned how to say QULAQ AS, where we need to listen and hear out something. We learned how to say Söhbət for conversation, talk and discussion. We learned how to say ŞİRİN for sweet, cute and charming, but also Gözəl for beautiful, pretty and nice. We learned MAHNI when we want to say melody, song or tune. And we learned BİYABIRÇILIQ, disgrace, scandal and shame. Are you ready for dad joke uses? Stay tuned. There they are. What's your favorite Azerbaijani MAHNI? Well, not that joke actually, but you never know. Don't just hear, but actually QULAQ AS. I'm not Məşhur. I just have a loud ringtone. There it is. Who would have guessed that a team meeting, could end in BİYABIRÇILIQ? Great, Söhbət. I learned my coffee is more awake than me. Now, which word means conversation? Drop in the comments below. Don't worry about typing letters like you don't have it in your keyboard. Ş, ç, ü. Just type in whatever the closest one. I'll know what that means. Now, make sure to come back tomorrow because we're starting new work with new set of words, and stay tuned every single day if you want to learn 7 new words next week. Because remember, consistency is fluency. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow for a new set of words. But until then, if you want to learn much more fun and efficient ways of learning Azerbaijani, check masterazerbaijani.com where I explore it in deeper. Cheers.